Number 14 says which of these points is on the graph. So once again, it's a point on a graph. All we have to do is check if it's a solution. Every point on the graph is a solution. So we're just going to sub it in, x and y. However, check your signs again. Make sure you know how to evaluate an absolute value. This does not mean switch it to a negative or switch it to a positive. It just means make it positive in this case. So when we plug this in, watch out for that. So let's just start off with a. I'm going to get 3 for y is equal to negative 2, negative 4 for x, plus 2, and minus 1. So treat this kind of like parentheses at first, where we put it in and do that part first. So I have negative 2, here I have a negative 2 on the inside, minus 1. And as soon as I see this, I know that the absolute value of negative 2 has to be a positive. So that turns into a positive 2 now on the inside. And now when we work this out, we get negative 2 times 2 is negative 4 minus 1, which we know this is not true. So it's not A. Now we move on to B. See if that one's a solution. So I'm going to plug in negative 7 for y. I have negative 5 for x. Copy the rest. And now let's work this out. Negative 5 and positive 2. That's negative 3. Now again, watch out here. A lot of people want to say the answer is 6, but it's not. We have absolute value first of negative 3 is positive 3. And now we end up seeing that this is negative 6 right here. Minus 1, which now we see negative 6 and negative 1 is negative 7. So the second one did work, so our answer or solution is D.